Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to restrict someone from viewing your WhatsApp status without blocking them. My name is Marian Eju. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So the first thing you need to do is to locate your WhatsApp. So here is my WhatsApp. When you've located it, you log in, and when you've logged in, you click on these three dots here. There's a three dots here. Click on these three dots. So when you've done that, you go to your settings. When you click on settings, you locate privacy. This is the privacy. Let me cycle it so you could see it. You locate this privacy here. So when you've done that, you select privacy. Now we are going to select status. Under privacy, you locate status. When you click on status, you are going to see my contacts, my contact accept, only share. So you are going to select my contact accept. When you've done that, you can search the name of the person you want to block from viewing your status. You can click on the search bar and select the person, or you can just come here and select anybody you want. You can select as much people that you want them to stop viewing your status. So when you've done that, you click on this OK sign here. You click on this good sign. This is good sign. You just click on it and you OK it. So that's how to restrict someone from viewing your status without blocking them. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.